getting failed at Upwork, not getting any orders, trying hard as possible as you can, tried everything on Upwork, still it's not working. Maybe you are doing something wrong with Upwork. Could it be a possibility? Yes, it can be a possibility, because often we don't know and we are making mistakes. So in this video I will be covering some of the common mistakes people are doing while working on Upwork. You never know. Even I'm saying that they do not have any bad intentions, they are trying their best, but still getting bad luck with Upwork means it can be something wrong with ourselves. It seems a very good possibility. So I will be explaining in detail regarding what can be the possibilities on why you are not able to get success on Upwork. So I tried to figure out and gathered some of the I mean, not the finest one, not exactly the finest one, but some of the mistakes people are doing when working on Upwork. I know Upwork is a famous freelancing platform around the world, and almost every other famous freelancer, you will find him or her on Upwork, and you will be surprised, like, oh, he is earning or she is earning millions of dollars, so why not me, why can't I? So I will be explaining on why you are not able to make money while other people can make millions of dollars on Upwork. So let's discuss on some of the common mistakes people are doing on Upwork, and which is the possible reason that you are not able to get success on Upwork. So the first thing is that you are copying and pasting proposals to as your own, and this was what I was doing when I started freelancing. Trust me, really honest, let me be honest with you, it's a better truth that I did the same thing. And what I did, I used to copy and paste other people proposals, and thinking some client will notice me and will order me. Is client a fool? I mean, are you underestimating someone who is going to spend money? I mean, he's not going to look on whom I'm spending money. At least open your eyes. I mean, why someone will spend money on a person who don't even know on what I'm asking them, what he's replying. So if just copying and pasting other proposals won't make you a good person, neither on Upwork, neither anywhere place in the world. Why? Because people don't value that. And the second is rushing for applying. By rushing, what do you mean by rushing? Like a new post is created. Now first thing is, I want my bits to be shown within 5 minutes, because it has been proven that the earlier bits get the more chances of seen. What do you want? You want your proposal to be seen, or you want your proposal to win? Depends on your priority. If you just want your proposal to be seen, it's a good idea submitting your proposal in 5 minutes rather looking on what you are applying on, what you are doing to. But in case if you want to win a proposal, you need to open your eyes and look on what you are replying to someone. I mean, let's say if I go to a doctor and I ask that I'm having a pain in my neck. So what doctor will tell? I'm an MBBS doctor, I'm an ENT doctor, I'm a head neck surgeon. Or will he reply to your problem, that you have this problem, from how many days you are having this problem, and this can be the solution. So that is what clients are looking on Upwork, rather than telling about yourself. I'm this, I can do this. Instead, educate and tell people about their problem and how you will be able to solve. And that is actually the winning formula. There is nothing secret. This is not a secret. This is an open secret. Like, everyone knows it. So why don't you work on making customized proposals and solving people query? And that is the thing to win clients' bid and trust as well. And always offering cheap rated hourly jobs. What happens is, price is not the main thing. People think that if there is a client is asking for a job of, let's say, $10 or more, and you are just simply putting like, I'm available for $5 or less dollars. I mean, why would I bet someone even for free if a guy is not good? Why would I will spend even a buck on him? Not let $5 alone. Why will I will spend even $1 on someone who is not worth to spending? So keep in mind that is not the thing. Let me share you a famous quote: value has a value only if its value is being valued. So if you want your value to be valued, I mean, give a value and take value. And don't forget the quote of Joker: if you're good at something, never do it for free. So value has a value only if its value is being valued. So unless and until you don't value yourself, no one else will value it. No, this doesn't mean I'm seeing to overvalue yourself. Like, no, I'm just $100 per hour. No, you are not $100 per hour. But value yourself accordingly. Value according to the client. Value according to the thing. I know there is a Pepsi bottle which is available at different prices in different locations of a same city. So your price can be different for each bits. I understand, but bits accordingly. But accordingly, that is the main thing when winning us. So this is another Upwork mistake which people do and which you should avoid doing it. And my next is showing no interest in new clients with no feedback and unverified payments. I mean, this is true as well. Let's say if I open with you my Upwork account and I show you, there are ample of jobs being posted by people by people who did not have their payment method verified, or the clients which do not have any reviews, and we avoid posting to them like, oh, I mean, they can be fake. Not always they can be fake. So you don't have to lose anything. As a marketer, everything is an opportunity, but that doesn't mean we start going to apply on every bit, which I stopped you even in the start of my gig. Is that you need to bid wisely. You need to look on what the client is saying, and this will help you understand if a client is serious. So even the client haven't verified their payment method or details, but if a client is serious, genuine, asking valid questions, looking for a valid problem solution, and if you can do it in a good way, it's consider replying to the proposal. You never know, a day can be changed. And my internet is slow as well, so you guys have to bear this thing, and you have to wait for a few seconds so this can get loaded as well. Now you can see that since it's a payment unverified client and a $0 spend client, but this doesn't necessarily mean that the client is not worthy working for. Let's see, analyze if a client is a genuine, asking for a valid thing, it's consider working for it. Consider applying to the job gigs. When you apply to job gigs, it not only increases your chances of approval, but it also helps you to improve, because every next time you write another proposal, you will see an automatic improvement in yourself, because a person keeps on evaluating and improving himself on every time. So this can naturally help you to improve by if you keep on applying. Now, applied wisely doesn't necessarily mean to apply on every gig you like, on every job query you see. So come with the wise ideas to reach every job. And overconfidence is actually very over in freelancers, because once I was working with a newly established SEO lady, and I asked her, I wanted to get SEO done for my website. Although I got myself SEO certified in 2016 and it's 2022. It's like 18 years of working in SEO, and I still tried asking. So she said that I will work on $500 per month minimum. This is my price. I cannot go less than that. And I asked what will be the job strategy, and share your past client experience, and she didn't had any clue. But what she had, like, if you want to work with us, $500 per month is the minimum amount I will charge from you. So that was an overconfidence, resulting in 0 clients for her. So rather having overconfidence of $500 per month, decrease your prices to a well suitable price according to your worth, and start getting jobs. You can get 5 jobs of $20, making $100 a month, or working for or applying for a $500 job and still not getting even a single job. So it's better to earn $100 rather than just targeting for $500, which means that at least do something, at least, rather than doing nothing. So I mean, yeah, keep on do not have overconfidence in yourself, because this is another common problem in people working on Upwork. And I wanted to share my experience, because I have seen as an employee that this is a problem as well. And late response to a client message or interview, and you know what this is a perfect opportunity to lose a job. by replying late to client message. I know you can't be online 24 hours a day, but at least try to reply at your best. I'll try, like, wherever possible, reply to the client at your earliest. And if you are late, understand your query of the client and just reply accordingly, like, I apologize, I was not able to reply you in the direct time, and I can help you with this ways. So communication skills can also help you here in case if you are late genuinely. Otherwise there is no issue of replying late, rather reply as soon as possible. So because as a marketer, we do not want our client to think about someone else when they are thinking about you. So you do not have to miss this opportunity. If a client is thinking for you, reply accordingly so that he doesn't think about someone else for the job, for anything. So how you can achieve this? By replying at your earliest possible. So that is the way to win the client heart and get more sales. And writing short answers for additional questions, like, do you have suggestions to make this project run successfully? And people write, yes, I can help. Now this is not an answer. Yes, I can help. They know that you can help, but how you are going to help? Now let's move on and figure out if any have short questions, if any jobs has short questions. Some people are asking for additional questions. Like, you can see that they are asking 4 questions. Now if they ask, what experience do you have setting up third party audience in DVs 360, you can reply, I have good experience. No, client won't approve this. By when they ask what experience do you have is setting up, explain your old experiences, circumstances on how you help people. And when they have questions, have you set up direct negotiation for PMP in DVs and tell me about the last experience? It doesn't mean yes, I have experience and I can show the last experience on request, but rather explain in detail on what was your last experience and how did you set up. So this will help eventually the client in understanding that this guy or a lady is a serious one for working on, and I should not miss the opportunity to work with her. So now these were the common things. Let me write the conclusion part as well. These were the common mistakes people do at Upwork. I know there can be other mistakes. Let me ask you a question. Which mistake you had to face yourself, or you did yourself? Or which mistake do you think I missed in this video? You can add this by adding in the comments box. I will be looking forward for your comment. But let me conclude with this, that I try to discuss some of the mistakes people do on Upwork. I know, when you don't get orders, you get very disheartened. Like, why is it me that doesn't have a good luck? Everyone else has a good luck, and why it's me, the bad guy, who doesn't get the work? Everyone else is getting the work. It's because you need to improve. I'm not saying that you're a bad person. I'm not saying that the good luck is not with others. Good luck is with others as well, and it can be with you as well. All you have to do is you have to come up every day with a new form of consistency, that yes, I can do it and I will do it, and that is the formula of working well and to be successful. Now another technique is to constantly re-evaluate and improve yourself. This is another thing which I wanted to tell you, because this can make you wonders in life. So just keep on self-analyzing yourself, and this will improve you in becoming a successful freelancer on Upwork. Yeah, I try to discuss few of the mistakes people do while working on Upwork, and the things which I came on my mind, or things which I researched on. But you are welcome to add on any more thing you want to add, and do subscribe to my channel. At least I'm seeing people are watching my videos, but they are not subscribing to my channel. Why? I'm looking forward for your subscription to my channel, as well as click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, and bye bye.